All right, I'm going to attempt this video this morning. Shane is getting ready to put our windows in our concession trailer here. He's unboxing the window now. Um, I'm going to go through this in segments because obviously it's going to take a little while, but I guess what you're going to do is mark it out first where you're going to put it.
Yeah.
So I'll show you how he's marking it out here in just a moment when he gets everything unboxed. These windows came from Home Depot. They were about 90 bucks a piece, I think. And so obviously he's going to place it up there, and I'm sure he's going to need me to hold it while he draws around it or whatever he's going to do.
Not really. I'm just getting an eyeball about how high we want the windows, what's going to be comfortable for people to stand on the ground and talk. So it looks like it's about 10 inches down from that ridge, and that's where we'll put them. So I'm going to mark. With this, you're never going to be able to keep it level, so you just want to go with the body lines of the trailer and don't worry about whether it's level or not. So the top of our window is going to be right there at 10. We'll do the same thing right here at 10. That way we know we're going straight with this, but when you're parking this trailer, you know, if you're on an incline or anything like that and you put that window level, you're going to have more people looking at you going, well, your window's out of level. So that's the best way to do it. Just keep everything straight. That's going to keep it straight with the floor, keep it straight with the top of the trailer. So next thing I'm going to do is get the rough opening size of the window itself. And when we're installing this, we're going to make sure, so right now we've got 24.25, so I'm going to make it a 1/4 inch bigger and go 24.5. We want to give ourselves about 1/8 of an inch play on each side. And what I'm doing here is anytime you get a window, this is just a regular new construction window, fusion vinyl welded, right here on the corner. So anytime we're doing that, this right here is going to have a little nub on it. So that's actually going to be our biggest measurement because it's not shaved off. Doesn't hurt anything. I could just shave it off, but it's easier just to work around it and give yourself play all the way around so you're not damaging anything that you've got. And so right here, rough opening size is going to be 23.25. So we'll go 23.5 tall. And that should give us plenty of room to be able to set that window in and move it, you know, 1/8 of an inch either way. So here, now what I'm going to do is go from these rivets to rivets right inside here. That's where we've got a steel tubing on the inside. I'm going to center that mark. So we got 24.5, so we're 12.25. And right there on that edge. And then we got, actually, take that back. We got to find a center mark first, which is going to be roughly 32. So half of 32 is going to be 16. 16 inches right there. So now we're going to go 12.25 from this side. And then from this side, and that's going to give us our 24.5. All right, so that's going to give us a rough opening there. Now, same thing, we got 23.5 tall. So right here, half of 23.5, so that'd be 11.75 right there. And then we're going to go down and go another 11.75, just because I did math right in my head. I'm just going to double check. And we've got, so I'm wrong there, so it looks like we're going to be 23.5, so 1/4 inch off. So right there is where we want. We'll put a little crow's foot so we know we've got the right mark right there. Okay. So that's going to give us our height. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just pretty much square everything off, and then I'll draw some straight lines and get this thing squared off, and then we'll get on to the cutting process, and we'll continue the video from there.
We'll look forward to seeing you in the next step. That was good. Real good. I couldn't follow you, but maybe somebody could.